Yeah, my mommy and my papa them. I don't come for continue that video. It's 160 for you. You want a video 161. My people hit with the Hi. My people, I salute to my friend them. Before I start for video, I always say let me thank the picking them. Petit frère, thank you. The one you were the man for bush. Petit frère, put that gun down. Any my gay family will see the football and I beg them and come down for us. I don't tell when I say no matter what they do, they will kill them. Thank you when I understand. No matter what you do, they will kill them. Yes, Cameroon is sick. Our country is really sick. May them forget the country is really sick. No matter what you do, they will kill them. And secondly, I come today for thank my country people and then talk about how we coach we embed them and then talk about politics some more. Before something if I get energy, I go talk about community problem now for my last video because energy no day, I want no well. My people, I don't change the look. I don't bring out the thing we to say the power of ground. I'm one of them. I'll continue for sure this side. Then if you wear the thing for that skin, yeah, you don't wear for that skin, they will give them condition. How for where, how many blood, how many leave gives that they go solo and before how many sacrifice they would do before come out for public. I'm not now for the difference between me and them. Then go take power. I get power. Then go take na power. And power will take them. So man they still control them. That's why I'm calling them Lucifers because they still be under control. Saturday rain, Cameroon don't destroy my people. My people, I come for this video. Me I first start now for Nijon Frunzi. My people, my reason for the sing, say me Cameroonian, me Bamenda people, me we Bamenda people, me go vote massively, protect our vote. It's not for presidential. Bamenda no get no presidential candidate. Wait at the talk every day concern election. If you hold, now for get new mayor, new parliamentarian, new senator. Now the election that we Bamenda get for vote. If you use all can party, forget that people, but no use CPDM. You are in campaign. I feel my party in SDF, my party in Kanto, my party in opposition. I receive back my Bamenda people. When I be no be listen for people. Where some man should done for abroad. Say no election, ghost town. If they give back directly the power back for CPDM, they will still continue for our land. After everything, we are the Anglophones. We are the graphic people. My people, the special status where they began for Anglophone people, that's the best thing that they give you. I don't work for the 7th division. At least for D1, small when I feel believe me for D1. The best thing for doing that for take our special status, take the sensitization. Because when I don't deny for explain to it happen. When I talk to me, they no register, they no vote. And then the very mayor, they go sit in the very money put them for their pocket. My people, I be very surprised for see a region where they don't go school. Where they know Anglophone Cameroon for school. When I know the meaning of mayor, all the day abroad, they know the meaning of mayor. They know the meaning of parliamentarian. When there's a problem, when I go to complain for which government, where government knows a person, the way they represent one. My people, I still talk to you thing today. Miss Ambia, Paul Bia Bimbondo Barthélemy, our grandfather, we don't tire, while the Becky may go rest. My uncle say he's not up to the task, may go rest. Article for our constitution say we'll be incapable to do your job. You know, go back for us, give chair for different man. Miss Ambia don't tire. Miss Ambia don't tire. Constitution deny your position. My people, why I beg my brother and sister, say struggle all way for remove those people for your land. Not just to move them. When I go for their own village, they draft for now. Then come for our own day when I give them chance. When I see mayor, when I go no say they don't give contract for mayor for make bridge. When I don't pay all the money. Now they thought I don't come for mine again. Miss Ambe is the Catholic. All the contract is paid. Now for that part decision for Chelsea today, God need green for Koi. He have done his job. What he don't do now, he don't make video show now. Say me don't catch them, he don't create committee for arrest them, they did not for arrest them. Minister of Justice. Say arrest people, they say why you arrest them. All we see injustice for Cameroon. Has some few people they take power for their hand All man they see him. Equinox they talk him. News they talk him. Debate they talk him. Everybody knows what is happening in Cameroon. The only thing where if you do, use any party for get that place them for your land. Take that your very money where they give them. Use them proper. Because tomorrow corruption no see there again. If you not refuse to go enter, go take that money, you do them like una bad or una blood don't do them, it can no work. Corruption no there again, my people. In Cameroon for tomorrow na digital and transparency. No man no go TV again. Now all they go for resign. All them go run. That's my reason, my people. Who I don't work for the 7th division, or I know small thing concern Anglophone culture. I know Bamenda small because I don't work for the 7th division. Why when I don't call for a village? Say true, Grand Blazo be don't come for a village. Why don't I ask question? Why don't I call Balikuman man's Marco say, the man be don't come? Why don't call Banso, call Bafut, call Ndop say, the man never stay for a village? Because many of you are 40-something years, you are the Napobia Bonona. But when I get parents, when I get elder brother, they pass 50 years. I live in the 7th division in Northwest region. I know at least a little from my knowledge. But when a man gets sense, this is the time to take our special status and dispensation and then do the natural work because the constitution for the special status for Cameroon, it is on theories, it is on paper. It need to go to practical. The thing we will die because we don't want to use the constitution in practical way. But the government is using it for theoretical way. If your whole bishop you come to say national conference, Southwest and Northwest you come to fight. Or when I be hear the message. When I be hear the message. Now for them where they really been confusion at them, they set that fight inside one. Me when I head no open. This is the time for election for Cameroon. Some people need to do well. My people, mayor, they represent we. He take money for bridge, chop them, go the him in Jangi, work at the any birthday, they go give million. Anything for you, they go give 7 million, so don't have a Paul beer. 7 million, 50, how many pour hole for quarter for Bamenda? 7 million francs, fit to how many gravel for route, they may move to them pass for 1 month before Paul then come back. But home mayor take and go again for Paul beer. He not there for una. When I see mayor them for Bamenda from 2020, when the one when they win council election and municipal election, or 2020, when I look all them, all of them have 100 something millions. When I see mayor, city mayor for Bamenda, I don't maybe to talk about it. Incapable man, we were not able to eat 700 francs daily. But today, they don't invest how many million. Now, you say take money, how much do they pay them? When I see them, no money talk. But I don't tell you now, you are not digital and transparency. When I go for take video, take picture for all those school buildings where a man did. My people, when they see school building where no man no did, the school get teacher, get principal, get headmaster, get everything. But no man no there for school building. But the salary they pass. The school get the division or the region get inspector of education, delegate of education. All the budget they pass. My people, government don't pay all the money. The simple truth when we talk for some place, the ami say mais le baron, Missambia ne fait pas bien assez. Explique-moi, il ne fait pas bien comment. He never give the money. When I explain for the Ambia, don't pay the money. And we know the people that take the money. We for vest for them. We don't go vest for government. The government they don't look you say me how. You choose me some person say I am representative. Then give the money all man see am for front TV, digital image. When I come to cry again for government, my people, we are the solution for many problems that we have. And let's shake our brain. My people, let's shake our brain. You don't go report case for officer, the government. Which government are we talking about? Which government are we talking about? When you know they don't pay the money for B school. You don't pay the money for fiscal. When I see Wumuru, now under 99 million francs, getting to 1 billion. A parliamentarian will come talk for good English. The government is delaying to pay the second installment. It's just mean that the government had paid the first installment. What's the work day? What's the work day? But where you don't spoil, you can put in 4-wheel drive. Then clap for impact. Then clap. Where are we? Who are we? Who do we so? How you will let person when you represent you go to clap for officers of government? Who is the government? But how I don't reach. Where Anglophone knows, I know when I get sense. When I leave that thing, say no, when I move them for Northwest. When I take a little 1 week, 1 month, make when I campaign, move the CPTM for the land. My people, something they want to ask question. At the year when I call CPTM people for Bamenda say like the public. Your brother the work for EB principal for school na the public. Your brother chief for government work na the public. Don't any man with the work for government work for Bamenda na the public. Na your cousin, na your brother, na your pa, na your nephew, na your wife, na your husband. We will record and say la Republic. Now you see me the notice and over me la Republic continue for thief. Don't you are just missionaries. Don't them pay you for support the CPTM. Me you are be paying for support. They pay when I'm not support CPTM. How was the only way the people didn't do their job? I don't stay for basketball for 19 years. Where all the mayor was great. But since when the present mayor come for chair, everything become condemned, picking all the stuff for Bush. Why? When if you ask questions, so why is this so? Why Anglophone if you ask questions, say, but why is this so? Simple question, why is this so? But I believe so when I don't see them for now video them now. They say you don't go talk for presence for Unity Palace. Now they are children. I go put the image for my page. They get picking them. May you get picking their family. Where they must support me the man for chair. Parliamentarian get woman get picking their family. When they must support me the man for chair because they're chop. When your brother they on top black plum, you must chop black plum. Don't if you know say you don't get black plum, the chop am now they come tonton for your door, the use spoil, if you take and chop am, she don't you make them begin chop. Yes, she don't because the money they pass. I never see some civil servant for Cameroon say they never pay a salary. That's true. When I face for problem, I see in the cash them put them for prison and all that. But they pay the money for the contract. All the money is well paid. And all man they see the money where they don't pay. My people, the whole national conference. They say me don't pay the money for the consult palace where they don't burn, for the consult business where they don't destroy, for the consult house the way they don't spoil. Where's the money? In their pocket. It never made 3-4 months when they come to for commercial tax on Paul. The head minister instructed me to tell you that the job is started after 2 weeks. How many months today? How many months today? But where's the money? In their pocket. But what did happen for Northwest, my people? Something wrong somewhere. The power in the mob they too strong. Yeah, and where the power get for Trump. That's true. Don't me I'll come on now go for things where that happen for my bed. But I want to conclude this part for politics for SDF. Say we not take una SDF. No matter say we no get presidential candidate. We will use now the name for get parliamentarian senator, and then the next presidential election now we make campaign now, or we will create new party, or we will maintain the SDF by appointing Northwest speaking like president. Because if the SDF mistakenly be president, now Southwest people will enjoy be Northwest. Now Southwest man they lead SDF today. Yes, it use advantage of Anglophones. And when we know say that Southwest man and Northwest man can never ever be one. A whole presidential election, Northwest no get one candidate. One in no day. The only the Anglophone picking way there for root na Muna way the coalition is somebody. My people. We are the solution for many of our problems. When I hear the can't talk, how they would do catch me for 2 talk. We be sure the talk done. The return done. They don't catch no man. Why do you expect to come why they can't tell my people what happen for basic, what happen for ground? We people are struggling to solve the problem up, but you are not seeing what is happening down. Many of you are confused. They go for, I don't know, they go for upgrade many Anglophone their senses. Mental slavery don't tie on down. How would they do for whom? You don't give 1 billion for fixing your road. You don't hear for maintain the road. You don't hear. When I see the way people they work for whom on the sofa, where they don't give money for one person put on your pocket, how do you feel by calling the name of government? You are calling government for what? Why are you calling the name for government? Government get for do it, we don't send the money, you know. They send money made them build school for your village for 400 million. They go build school for 30-something million, 20-something million. My people, that's why I'm coming out to the palaces. I don't see plenty of people that work at caution by them. I'm sorry for now because 3, 4, 5 mbe, 10, 11, 12 mbe will make error when I coach the whole Northwest mbe them. Maybe all mbe for Northwest to do that error. When I know it takes few mbe will don't make error. And for me to be error, sorry. And if it I not go to the law. Tradition demand that mbe them. All the Northwest mbe them, all respect, long love for all of you. Long love for all of you mbe. Yes, long love for all of them mbe for Northwest. The one way they with the answer name from Mbe, we know for had to be Mbe. He they pay you come already. Mbe for Mbangolang they pay come a long time ago. Mbe for Mbambalang they pay come a long time ago. You know if you come for some region, some people will come out school. From Ambumbi then they but fun for bounce pan can fund then they you can't be president for fun. Work at this craft for this the back cook on a chop. It's wrong. You are not up to the time. You don't get no similarity sign from Mbe. Now whether they be cash you for bush me go cook chop jam for Ambazonia. Now you be the cook chop jam for Ambazonia, government no can help you no fund for Bambelang, president for Northwest Fund. You be the cook chop for bush the fit Ambazonia, government no can secure you. Now one Ambazonia picking way God for the land cash he talk play with the car release you. That's simple truth, Mbe. You are not up to the task to stand in the public and say what? But I like and because maybe all like that one. When I see a senator, so one day senator for Ngime, what? The one talk anything, he go bring statues for Pobia, can't show him. He like Pobia pastor because they are not up to the task. They are artificial by them, they are not full by. May they not take out and coach them. But as he come back for good English, they maybe all them be wrong. And then so what I talk about, sometimes also they not be wrong. Let's say the truth, sometimes they are not wrong. When I don't abandon, when I'm by them. When I see mbe them like mbe for Guzam, mbe for Batibo, mbe them whether they threaten for Concord the head, whether the same message, Ambazon ADF the same message for the minute report themselves for Palace. Say they will cut their head, and she don't for them well because when I take care for them. They get for run go for person where go protect them. I wanna not forget when I'm better now auxiliary. When I reverse when I'm better, we government they pay them $200. Better any 115,000, 130,000, I show some of them when they pay them per month. Then pull number them for auxiliary. They repay them $200 for Cameroon money 125,000, 130,000. And when they will repay them like auxiliary. Don't want to hear that position auxiliary for the government. Don't want to, especially if they don't go, they will kill them. Many of them bear the wrong go for that sign for security because we are not secure them. How can you be a native for the land? You are not securing the custody of the land. Made what? They can't catch them, kill them, burn their palace. No money, talk me them for them, they can't kill them. Many of them are running away to protect themselves. Because many of you that are not protecting them. Which can village where you no get minister, you no get delegate, you no get director, you no get inspector, you no get rich people. When you don't see what's on Bede, because many of you don't forget where you are coming from. I still remember Anglophone Bamenda. This issue be start for Bamenda when I walk about football scene and Bede. When I be walk, I go for palace them. Within King. When I think King go for palace, you go to a soft on a skin. Now when I don't forget for go back there them to will happen. When I get for walk about go back for palace them. And then why the Anglophone elite, Anglophone intellectual if you move them bed for auxiliary. When I went now what if you move and bed them for auxiliary, when I went and make a to Burokan change them. When I forget when I'm bed auxiliary, when I coach them say na langa me na who protect them. When I take care for them bed them, bed when they take care for them, when I don't see one for them, when I don't see bed for having for them, when I don't see bed for them. But many on bed they go run because they need protection. You are not protecting your bed. How can you insulting your custody of the land? Then your question may become Bene look you back. Bene look you back. Bene go now for front. Because you see people the day for back. But when I run away from your back to the car, when I see Bene for Kumbo, for Binlo, then keep picking them, key family for palace, shoot gun for palace, keep picking them. May them for them in the key. That's how you want Bene. She don't make the key them when I clap. Now when I don't, Antuka is occultism. For my past video, I tell when I sign a verse for Anglophone because you know you are ignorance of the law. My people, something I will tell you now. I started making video concerning Anglophone problem for 2009. It did for social media, it did for my page for YouTube. Another year, I will organize my page for YouTube. I will put video 1 to the last video so that if you want to see them, you know long. But for this one, I will put small things that make you happy. But I never create a good page for YouTube. When I will create a good page for YouTube, I will put all my video for them. When I will start go see video for 2009. We need to return back the power where the power belongs. First time, they take all case, then go for palace. Case for manslaughter, woman, man, the woman, money. That's the case for palaces. Court na for judiciary. Court na for judiciary. You have gone to go chop some money, you go and go police. Then can ask you lawyer, take you back, don't take. That's because they confuse one. The Anglophone law, one no, I'm not federal law. All the Anglophone lawyer, when I go see them for money time for front court, on objection, my lord, I get to repeat the file. Now for go take your money every day. Objection for go take your money. Because the case for them, no, they give for just a case. The court cannot just community case. When I give back the work for our palaces, palace be the control. Tribunal court, traditional court. Now palace they be the order. Now palace they be the control the pata. When agreement they go put the auxiliary for Batibo, play around there for 19 years. The gendarme, the police, all they for inside quarter for palace. Then they let 500 kilometers square, all them there for one place. 200 kilometers square, all them there for one place. But they guard you, guard mayor, guard gendarme, the guard police, guard magistrate, abandon the bed because now auxiliary. May no run me here. We end of the game, Wookie. End of the game, Wookie. That's the English. End of the game, Wookie. Why don't program for here? Palace the Wembe don't disappear. CBT can't take palace. I don't show a contract for here where they give more than 400 million. They don't put 40 million for the contract. But what do you want from me again? My people, God created Baron Bless for the image of your ancestors. And then send me to represent my ancestors. Today, I have given birth to my own children. They are calling me also ancestors. That's how the lineage move. I represent my parents. The good work we God don't do for me, what I like them. Now, what I talk for Pidgin, I talk for French, for Northwest region. And I talk for Francophone, and I talk for Cameroon, and I talk for Africa, and for Northwest region. If you be about what Pidgin, if you hear my video, why charity begin at home? I create a party, Union des Démocrates, des jeunes Camerounais, Union Démocrate or Youth of Cameroon, Democrat Youth in Cameroon, Union of Democrat Youth in Cameroon. That's my party. But no popular now because Cameroon is moving left. There is no constitution in Cameroon. There is no sovereignty in Cameroon. There is no democracy in Cameroon. I can't create a party where there is no sovereignty. Don't wait the country where they will change president. One day it will change. And then I will come create my party now fully. And then start do Cameroon work. Now I see I receive back the power where the 7th division give me. But talking to concerning Northwest problem. We are up to the task to solve our problem. We are up to the task to sit down and talk and solve our problem. Yes, I'm doing the God job. I'm educating for my own way. I am communicating for my own way. I'm showing people my own love because I go share my mom na 20 euro. I go keep myself at least more good to favor God's image before I come to talk for you people. And one can live like Satan image, like God's image. I'm working a lot, meditating a lot to come and when I say I need no book. I'm talking what I'm feeling concerning community. We are up to the task to solve our problem. When we go to the question I'm bedding, when I'm bedding, they will not control I'm bedding. When I see for I win the bad chip game from bed. For instance, more the bad motor game from baby has some people they try. But for good English, many are coffee are choosing. Oh, what's an affit when I forgot when I'm bedding for Europe. I forgot them from Europe. Well, when I get forget the instruction. Yes, and then secondly, may I not forget the part. Going to Unity Palace no means wrong vote for Pobia. Yes, Mr. Funzi, we don't give you advice from Northwest for 1993. If you give them money, we take and chop and become Cameroon money, no be foreign money. But na time we go vote their conscience. My people, they for go join for Unity Palace. Bishop them, they go join the all man na one vote inside box na you can't share the judge them. Mbe we dey for front, you don't know who man we mbe go judge them. Don't judge me. We don't get no right for caution and mbe them. No right. Mbe no they ever be wrong. When I go ask them what they do, and so they will explain to us. Would they protect them? But don't tell una they pay them $200. They are auxiliary for the government. Don't forget about that. Don't the one way they no go. Now the one way they save their God for the land. The one way they run go. Now the one way they are not secure. Let's not forget this. I know we bad. Don't tell you say don't vote for CPDM. Go in there and don't say don't vote for CPDM. All we know to happen for Cameroon for election. 1990, 92. Now so they make mob. Biala can't tire. You know see name. If him be a loss for North, loss for Northwest, him be a don't loss. Because Yaoundé can never vote beer. Man for Yaoundé no vote beer. The Douala no vote beer. West Region no vote beer. The all the Bamileke they way the pump the money so time for election. Now one person in the inter box. Now one person in the inter box. Be able to use the big North, the three North, the North Gawundere Amarua. Can't use Bamenda. They get there is more power. Gavogede is more power. Now through that. Don't be if you have election, if they say I feel proven to honor, like one of them. If they say put one by one, be no get 3%. If they say the man go put and so one by one, after the don't count and be no get 3%. When I remember, be never win election clean. Never. When I know all the system. He bad na bad last year about go bring one man them. Men can call the result. We know all the system where they use them. Mr. CPDM can never ever win the election in Cameroon if they go one by one. It's no fit. But when people don't go for some way, they go see faith because the time for call result when I hear result. My hand are tied. I cannot pronounce it. My hand are tied. How you go win something? My hand be tied. Which can hear it? They don't take elections so put them for don't say me I don't win. Which day? They go put them for don't read them for 3 days. Una tired number 3 days the same beam for no battle me. They are battling me. They tension them. That's a game. Occultism powers. But for go chop for them to be said they don't put that vote for Pobia. Now one man they enter inside that boss. And now every year I see the do for CPDM. For presidential guard, which can year they don't win for presidential guard. Which year they are winning inside presidency. When I come in the year they don't win election inside presidency. Now fraud. Now why are they beg my Anglophone brothers? Please. It's true, I'm not your brother as I saying. But I don't pay pattern for your 7th division. I enter your palace, when I palace them. I chop with when I palace them. I enter right deep inside when I tell them. Don't have the payment that I get back. My own small gain what fit there when I the benefits for my being in Northwest. When I remove CPDM from the land. No use God, no threatening. Now you're conscious now for that boss will enter you one. First take that your own pen and put on for your mop. And then choose the one with you for table. If you want to get parliamentarian, when I want to go, I don't hold meeting for Nakwata. Say no, as you go, so you go for Ngwa. As you go, so you go for the man. When I see when I'm mayor for Northwest. When I see mayor, city mayor, after less than 4 or 5 years, he get more than 500 million. When I mean nothing for now, how much they pay per month? When I see mayor Cherny Bahamena too. When I see mayor for Manankwe, money don't turn all them to fools. People that do not get no future, they don't explain their past. They don't say they don't do, don't do one for the past, now say they don't sex picking and get the HIV. That's all that they have done. They don't keep poor picking them, they are picking sick. All we the same. My people, the other than catch some picking, we don't go dig people that bone. Picking, all man see the boy face. Why you no go take your mommy pap show am for social media make they see am? When I dey carry the man for Bamenda protect am. When I dey for quarter, when I no ground fair the way they get this bad sick. With the one when I dey fear say when I talk say na eat that he will can't kill una. Better make them destroy the whole village. Because I dey fear for talk. Man, the law. For 21st century, we'll get fun for your hand. We'll get fun for your hand. I can't start my third video concern my country people. When I say to a picking around, picking don't do one for we. When I say to a man come up from nowhere, the two way my country people to do am no man said FBI for you as if you do the work. And the first activity I'm going to call you the beg is I beg delay that my past message. I'm sorry if it was work or devil. Would I mob the see pass? But I like him because One person don't come talk for digital image. Say the hand back, the hand himself. When I hear the case, the hand himself. Everybody go hand back himself. But I don't tell Anglophone them. When I see it happen, Anglophone case now for Finland and Georgia. On a which country, that a country where I about this, and I feel they judge the case for Anglophone. No become wrong government. Don't we go snap that British we don't take money chop them. They are put them for air. The war go talk about. Now instantly we not gonna say billion people don't see them. See my video this so as I put them so people don't see them. It's my own idea, it's my own opinion, it's what I went through, it's my inspiration, it's my experience for the field. All my video I'm keeping say one word. You cannot abandon, you cannot solve the matter without knowing the problem. You have community problems. You have serious problems. You have problems you to sit and talk about. You have individual problems. I see plenty Anglophone the worker cry sitting in a worker. No, I will tell you the truth today for free. God say me I tell you. When I go ask for forgiveness, when I go repent, when I heart over heavy. Now what I hunger there for Cameroon. Any man want kill man, any man want hunger too much because I know where I go repent. We take my gay picking keep and sleep, and you come drive ye. Give sick. No man no, but you know, your conscience go worry you. When you go kill man, tip man, take my money, do some kind of thing, your conscience go and repent me at in waka. Everything you plant, not everything you will harvest time. Today, Baron Blaise live the life. Now harvestment for my yesterday. I plan well. I don't tell one of my people, God give me fine work, prestigitation, take from the rich, and when I see the palms, see the palms, I'm taking from the rich and share to the poor. I chop not the interest. I don't get money for the interest. No, because if I make error, you know, see come again. Anything we do yesterday, now you will pay today. If you don't want to ask forgiveness now, before go for front, as you go for front today, I think they follow you. You are the solution for many of our problems. Let's respect the tradition. Let's go back for our roots. We've been starting for 2017 going for palace. When I go back for palace, I will start the last video with the palace before I go for my country people. This is video 161. Let me go and knock video 162.